Over the past several weeks, we've traveled through one of history's most remarkable journeys. We've discovered who lived in North America before European settlers arrived. We've learned about the 13 colonies, the growing conflict with Britain, the Boston Tea Party, the Revolutionary War, the Declaration of Independence, and the creation of the United States Constitution. But one important question remains. Why do Americans celebrate Independence Day every year on July 4th? Many people think July 4th marks the day America won the Revolutionary War. But that's not exactly true. The war continued for several more years after 1776. July 4th is celebrated because it was the day the Continental Congress officially adopted the Declaration of Independence. On that day, the 13 colonies publicly declared that they were no longer under British rule. It was a bold announcement to the world. Although the fighting continued until Britain recognized American independence in 1783, July 4th became the symbolic birthday of the United States. Today, Independence Day is one of America's most important national holidays. Across the country, families gather to celebrate with food, music, and community events. Cities organize colorful parades featuring marching bands, veterans, firefighters, and community organizations. Parks fill with concerts and outdoor activities. In the evening, millions of people watch spectacular fireworks displays that light up the night sky. Homes, businesses, schools, and public buildings proudly display the American flag. For many Americans, the day is not only about celebration, but also about remembering the sacrifices made by those who helped build the nation. Independence Day is also a time to recognize some of America's most important national symbols. The American flag, with its stars and stripes, represents the unity of the states and the nation's history. The bald eagle, chosen as the national bird, symbolizes strength, courage, and freedom. The Liberty Bell, located in Philadelphia, reminds Americans of the nation's commitment to liberty. The Statue of Liberty, a gift from France in 1886, has welcomed millions of immigrants arriving in America. It has become an international symbol of hope and opportunity. These symbols help tell the story of America's past and the values many people associate with the nation. Learning history helps us understand both a nation's achievements and the challenges it has faced. It is a reminder of ideas like freedom, responsibility, participation in government, respect for the rule of law, and the balanced belief that people, both citizens and immigrants, should help shape the future of their country. History is not simply about memorizing dates. It is about understanding people, choices, and the lasting impact those choices have on generations. Let's see what we've learned today. 1. Independence. Freedom from another country's control. 2. Patriotism. Love and devotion toward one's country. 3. Democracy. A system where citizens participate in choosing their leaders. 4. Liberty. Freedom protected by law. 5. Citizenship. Being a member of a country with both rights and responsibilities. It's quiz time. Question 1. Why is July 4th celebrated? Answer: the Declaration of Independence was adopted. Question 2. Which national bird represents the United States? Answer: bald eagle. Question 3. Which country gave the Statue of Liberty to the United States? Answer: France. We've reached the end of our special American History Explained series. Thank you for joining us throughout this series. See you in our next lesson.